So I'm going to show you how to check my comments in this assignment, Find and Present Background Source from Gale eBooks. So I'm back over here at the home page in Student View, and I click on Grades. And then I find the assignment in question, which is right here. So there are three types of comments to look for. One, or feedback, I should say. One is the rubric, which you can get by just clicking that little icon there. So the test student got 0 marks because she missed a piece. This is an all or nothing assignment, and you need to fix the problem and resubmit by Sunday midnight. That's what you need to do too. And then another place to look for comments is here, and these comments appear when you're in your assignment over on the right hand side, and also you can set your notifications to get those in an email. And then more importantly though, you find my comments on the assignment itself by clicking on the assignment title and then clicking on view feedback, and then click this little expander bar right here to make it big. And you see I leave comments in green on your assignments, and that's where I've left you specific comments on this assignment to tell you what you need to fix. And just one last thing to show you how to get notifications. You click on your account circle there and on notifications, and here you get tons of choices, and you can see how I have mine set up. But if you click here, you have the choice to get a daily summary or a weekly summary. I have daily summaries on some things and weekly summaries on the others. But like you'll see here, and like if you want to get your grades, you would manipulate these, and submission comments. That's what I was just showing you. You want to manipulate these ones here.